What's up guys, I'm Cameron with Z1 Off-Road. Today I'm here to introduce you to the Z1 Off-Road Frontier Underseat Storage System. This is going to replace the small, pathetic little tub that comes underneath the rear seats in the crew cab models. This is going to be compatible with D40 and D41 Frontiers. What's really cool about this is it is a little bit of a gadget. If you see these holes here on the bottom, those are bolt mounting patterns that will allow you to run the air compressor of your choice. So we wanted an air compressor solution that was elegant and also compatible with other things too. So we decided to include on the passenger side here, we have a port for your air chuck and a port for your switch. So you can run everything to here. You don't have to worry about finding a spot for your switch or your air chuck. It can all go right into the side of the panel here, and it still fits with the door closed. What's cool about this though is it gives you the MOLLE storage compatibility while increasing your volume by 60%. So that's 60% more storage space than you get with the little tub. It fits right up flush against the bottom of the seat, and it fits all crew cab models. Included is an optional divider. You can install it if you'd like. The divider continues all the way up to the seat so that you can have two separate sections of storage, so you can keep your goods separated if you decide to. This is made from aluminum that's been TIG welded and then has been powder coated black for longevity and durability. So this is a great way to keep things locked down in your rear seat if you want to keep your medical supplies, your tourniquets, fire extinguishers, what have you. So head on over to z1offroad.com and get yours today.